Hey, Kerry Russell here from thestrategicblogger.com, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use FTP to upload files and folders to your WordPress website. So right now I'm over at FileZilla, which is the software I currently use. It's 100% free. Just go to Google and look for FileZilla FTP solution. That'll come up on the front page, top result, because we need to install and run the software. When you're on this page, you need to left click where it says download FileZilla client. So we need to be on the left hand side. Make sure you don't download the server because it's a completely different software. So left click the FileZilla client and you'll be taken to a new screen. Now I'm personally using Windows, but you may be using a Mac or a different platform. So there's a link here that says show additional download options. Just left click to open that up and you can see download links for a Linux and a Mac. But I'm going to use this top link here where it says recommended. So I'm going to left click. Again, you'll be taken to a new screen. Shouldn't take long for your download to begin. And there we go. At the bottom of my screen I'm being prompted to run the installation. So I'm going to left click run, just going to left click yes, that's just my computer asking for permission. From there you want to agree to the license, left click next, next again, make sure all the boxes are checked, next again, and then install. When the installation has finished, you will see this screen. Make sure that you have Start FileZilla Now checked and then just left click Finish, and that will then open up the software. Now, this is the interface that we use to transfer files and folders from your hard drive, so from your laptop, your computer, over to your server side. On the left hand side is your computer. That's your local side. These are all the files and folders that are currently on my PC. On the right hand side, when we connect to the server, you'll notice some files and folders appear that are currently on your web hosting account. Connecting is really easy. When you signed up for your web hosting account, you should have received a welcome email. Inside that email, you will find your FTP details. So grab the email, get those details, and then use these top fields to log in where it says host, username and password. Now for obvious reasons I'm going to have to blur my details, but once you've entered them, don't worry about the port, just left click quick connect and watch what happens on the right hand side of the software. We're now successfully connected and these are the files and folders that are currently on my server. So in this video tutorial I will show you how to upload a WordPress theme using FileZilla. It really is a simple process. Please don't feel like this is too technical, because once you get used to using this software you'll realise how simple it is. Okay. So we'll go inside public HTML, just double click to open that up, and that will take you to the root of your web hosting account. Now if you only have one domain name, you are in the correct location. If like me you have several add-on domain names and you want to upload a file or folder to one of your add-on domains, you need to navigate to that folder. So in this example I'm going to use my personal blog, kerrylisarussell.com. So I'm going to double click and open that up, and you can now see all the WordPress files and folders on my server. To upload a theme, we'll go inside WordPress content and then we'll go inside the themes folder, and you're now in the correct location. So all we have to do is go over to the left hand side, which is everything on your PC, on your hard drive. In this top box here, where I'm scrolling at the moment, you can use this to navigate around your computer. Now I personally have all my themes in a folder called Dropbox. So you just need to navigate where your theme is. It's likely to be on your desktop, I'm guessing. So I'm in Dropbox. I'm going to go to the second section now, inside my WordPress themes folder, because that's where I've got them all stored. And in this tutorial, I'm just going to use the Canvas theme as an example. To upload the folder and the files for that theme, you simply right click and then left click upload. Now if you look towards the bottom of the screen, you'll actually see some activity going on there, and that's basically the software transferring those folders over to your server side. It shouldn't take too long, all depends on your internet really. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pause this video and I'll be back in a few moments. Okay, my theme is now finished uploading to my server. You'll know when the upload has finished because the bottom section of the software will be empty again. Before we go over to WordPress and I show you how to activate that theme, I just want to very quickly show you how to change file permissions, because sometimes when you're uploading plugins or scripts or softwares, in the instructions you will need to change some file permissions for the software, plugin, theme, script, whatever, to work correctly. So to do this, all you would do is go inside the folder that you need to edit, and to change a file permission or a folder permission actually, all you do is just hover over the desired file, right click, go down to file permissions, left click, and then you would enter the required numeric value. And if you are installing a software or a script or something, you know the numeric value will be given to you inside the instructions. When you change them, you just simply left click OK. And that is basically how to use FTP software. Now let's go over to WordPress before we bring this video to an end, and I'll just very quickly show you how to activate your theme. I'm inside my personal blog. I'm going to go to Appearance, across the themes, left click. The Canvas theme is the one I've just uploaded using FTP. When I hover over this theme, you'll notice that an activate button appears. So all I would do is just left click activate. And that's that. The theme has now been activated. Now if you wanted to upload a plugin, for example, you would simply go through the same steps. Just let me come out of the themes folder, but you would go inside the plugins folder and upload the plugin to there. This is Kerry Russell. For more actionable blogging tips and web design tutorials, visit my blog at www.thestrategicblogger.com.